Hi! In front of me is TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, you need to type in DevCheck and download this free app from Flarto developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to swipe. This way you will learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!